Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. In this video, we are going to see how to delete Instagram account permanently. Now let's jump into it. So I'm gonna now open my Instagram account. I'm in the app and click on Instagram, and this is the Instagram account which I'm gonna delete now. And this is a step-by-step tutorial, and watch this video fully in order to permanently delete this account. And this account is an organic account. This is not a fake account, and I have 116 followers, and this account is a brand account. And now I'm going to delete this. Click on the menu button over here and tap on settings, and click the help option, and here is the help option, and now I'm going to click on help center. It's loading, and wow, we have arrived to the help center of Instagram, and we are going to search. Now I'm going to search permanently delete my account. Click on this suggestion over here. So this shows lots of results, and now I'm going to click on the first and the topmost result, delete your Instagram account. I'm going to click it, and here is a big article, and this will help you in every course in deleting this account. And we can temporarily deactivate our account, or we can permanently deactivate. If you are using a computer or mobile browser, you can tap on this. If you are using Instagram app for iPhone, you can tap on this. And now I'm using an Android mobile browser, so I'm going to click on the first drop down, and here it says go to the delete your account page from mobile browser or computer. If you are not logged into Instagram on the web, you will be asking to log in first. And now I'm going to click on delete your account, and this will ask delete your account. If you want a break from Instagram, you can temporarily deactivate your account instead of deleting it. So Instagram is providing us a temporarily deleting feature, where some users tend to get the deleted account and they search for it in order to restore the account. So we can delete Instagram for temporarily. After 1 month, it will be deleting the Instagram will be deleting the account permanently. Now I am going to delete it permanently, and this is the procedure. Click on this button, and I should select some reasons from why do you want to delete this Technic Mania account. Now I'm gonna tap on this drop down. So after I select why I want to select I want to delete this account, I should re-enter my password. So now I'm gonna re-enter my password. So as you guys can see, now I have entered my password successfully, and this says if you continue, your profile and account details will be deleted on September 6th. So as today it is August 7th, and correctly in another 1 month time this account will be permanently deleted by Instagram. And now we are going to delete this account by clicking on delete technique mania, but Instagram will temporarily keep a backup of this account, and after it reaches September 6th, this Instagram will delete the backup, and we can't create, or we can't get back to our account after we delete after the date is September 6th. And now we are going to click on, I'm going to click on delete technique mania. Click on it. Are you sure you want to delete your account? Click on OK. And this is redirecting me to the Instagram login page. So we have successfully deleted. Now let's check whether the profile appears on search, the account which we deleted already. Let's check on it. I'm gonna technique mania. No, we don't have the account now, and it is temporarily disabled. And that's it for this video. And please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more videos and technology related tech tips. See you in the next one.